Here we are in the last lesson of our course. Yes, it's time to go live right now. In this video, we're going to learn how to actually launch your website. It's very simple. It's very simple. So how you're actually going to do that is something like this, right? You go to your control panel, simple as this. You see this big pink launch site button. Click this button. It is actually directly going to launch your website. I have taken the free module over here, but if you had actually taken the premium module, you paid some money and got the paid version of it, for you launching your website is as simple as that, right? You can actually do that without any problem. So hope you guys understood this entire concept. I'm very sure that you learned to build an entire website in just less than 1.5 hours. I'm talking about 90 minutes. There are people who spend, like, let's say, months together learning different languages, front end development, back end development, database, and all those things. Here, you just spent less than 90 minutes time to learn how to build an entire beautiful static website. So hope you guys like this particular video. Please hit a like if you like this video. Subscribe for our channel. We're going to come up with a lot of innovative content for you guys, and subscribe and ask your friends also to watch this video, guys. Thank you. Bye for now.